Hello viewers, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make a business page on Facebook. For this, open Google Chrome, search Facebook. Now log in your profile. Go to the right corner here and click on it. You can see on the top here, create page. Click on it. Now for business pages, click here, get started. Name the page you want. Now add a category to describe your page. After selecting it, click on continue. After that, you can upload a profile photo for your page or you can skip it. You can add a cover photo or you can skip it. Now your business page is created. You can share your products here, you can share pictures, videos and many more here. I hope this video helps you. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates.